We're back. Bit of a disaster yesterday. He was meant to go to the dentist, and basically the dentist, they had an emergency, and I couldn't get in, so I've got to wait another month now. But it split my day up. So annoying, and didn't get on. But hopefully we'll get on this morning. Well, here we are. This is, I'll show you now so you can actually see it so I don't get it wrong because I mumble. This is the Rubi T7110 Max, and I've seen this work, and it is, hopefully, we can use it in the same way as we did it with the Rubi demonstrators. I showed them what I wanted to do with it, and it worked. So let's have a look this morning and show you what we're going to be doing. This is our 1.2 lengths by 100mm edging strip. This is going to be like our banding course around the patio. We've cut those on the wet saw, and it's cut it so well. Honest, it's really good. Well, look, it's all about being open and honest. This is our first mistake. We're cutting these units down at approximately to 100. We're getting 6 per unit, per slab. But what we've done, we made a mistake there because our last one is 10mm smaller than the others, and that's just a total waste. So what we need to do, we need to allow for that. We've had 5 cuts, 6 units, so we have to allow approximately like 2.5mm per unit to make sure that we don't have waste, because we're going to have an awful lot of these in waste otherwise. There you are, just cut them ready now. The bricks, what Andrew's doing for these, he's not necessarily going all the way through. He's trying to save the blade and going about 3/4 and just breaking them off, and they're absolutely fine. Well, I don't know if you can make any odds of this. That's the shape of our circle, our edge, our perimeter, okay, creating the shape, going round. We've got some cut off there, most of them. There's just 2 cuts that's got to go in on there. There's our pin over there that we're running the radius from. So what we've done, we started to cut the shape there, and on the left-hand side is the paving coming from a different angle here. And what we're doing now, we're actually bringing that paving a little bit closer, and then once those cuts that we've done now, that one there, and there, what we'll actually do is we'll mark that in a couple of days, not tomorrow but the next day, and then we'll recut the shape of the edge of the circle there, so we can run those little sets in, those contrasting grey porcelain sets. I hope you get that. I'm not very good at explaining things sometimes. Well, let's just see if I can string a couple of words together. Andrew and I, there he is over there, hovering in the background. Nice little wave by Andrew. He may do a little dance, but he will. We've had a hell of a day today. The phone hasn't stopped ringing. I should really turn it off, and then I'll be able to get on. But we've made some progress. Got the cuts done, got the old Rubi going, and yes, we have had PPE on, and we do think of our Alf and everyone else's Alf. So we've got the Rubi over there, as you can see, the DX250 1400, and we're getting there. Now we're making progress. But now, tomorrow, it's going to slow up again because we've got to do the trays. And we've got probably about 6 trays to do, I think, inspection trays. So I just want to show you from this angle now. As you can see, you've got all the little brick sets being cut over there. We got some straight bits there that we're going to be putting those up alongside the house. But as you can see, if you look at the circle, or the radius rather, it's coming on nicely. There's the second radius with the paving at a different angle, which gives it a bit of contrast. And then you've got the other one going the other way over there. Client's over the moon with it. It's coming together, and now we're getting somewhere. So I'm pleased with that. You know, look, if you've got any questions, or you want to give me some advice, or you want to point something out to me, you know, just be kind and be respectful. Let me know. I keep asking about this, and just let me know. We're going to push on again tomorrow, and we're going to see how this area turns out. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the ladder shot. Yeah, the ladder shot. We don't do drones. I'd like to do a drone, but I can't fly one. So we're going to do the ladder shot tomorrow, and we're going to see how it comes out. Thank you. Don't forget, please subscribe. There it is.